Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the Singapore Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the More button down below, and after that you should tap on Settings at the bottom of the screen. Go to the security section where you can see this enable Touch ID option, allowing you to log into your KrisFlyer account more easily without entering your password. So all you have to do is tapping on this button on the right side, and then you should verify your account by typing in your password. Then click on proceed, and then the Touch ID will be enabled. So when you open the app, you will be required to use your Touch ID. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.